This is a complete reading system for vision-impaired people. This system helps them to read non-sequential documents such as references book and use the manuals, as well as sequential documents such as novels. The designed iPad contains 2 keys for volume up and volume down, 2 keys for speed up and speed down, 4 keys for navigation through different levels in books such as chapters, sections and subsections. The middle key is for play, pause and resume, 2 key for forward and rewind, and a key for bookmarking. The complete reading system not only provides accessibility to textual parts of electronic documents to vision-impaired users, but also extracts implicit information from graphical and non-textual components and conveys them to users. These graphical components include line chart, bar chart, pie chart, and maths graph. The complete reading system can read tables by columns or by rows. The complete reading system represents non-linear and multidimensional parts of scientific documents such as chemical formulae or mathematical expressions in suitable manner to understand, with keeping concepts and meanings. Let's have a look how it works.
This is line chart of the relationship between the vapor pressure of water and its temperature. The x-axis runs from 0 to 100, the y-axis runs from 0 to 800. The graph starts at the origin and rises, so that when x is 25, y is approximately 40. When x is 50, y is 100. When x is 75, y is 300. When x is 100, y is 760. This is a bar chart which indicates the average price of advertisements of 5 different channels in a year. Vertical X shows $1 million. NBC channel is $172 million. ABC channel is 166. Fox channel is 120. CBS channel is 86. WB channel is $39 million.
This is a pie chart, contains 5 slots. Slot dogs is equal 31%. Slot cats is equal 25%. Slot birds is equal 22%. Slot fish is equal 7%. Slot others is equal 15%.
Horizontal axis is labeled X and its range is between -3 to 3. Vertical axis is labeled Y and its range is between -3 to 3. Horizontal and vertical step value is 1. This graph is plotted from the equation y equals x power to -2 times x. The graph is started from point -1, 3, from top left quarter of plane until 3, 3, located on top right quarter of plane. Horizontal intercept occurs at points 0, 0 and 2, 0. Vertical intercept occurs at point 0, 0. Shape of graph is parabola, and has minimum value at point 1, -1.
This table contains 7 rows, 3 columns. Column 1, row 1 is Xiom32, button base of S. Column 2, row 1 is button. Column 3, row 1 is navigation function. Column 1, row 2 is aux8. Column 2, row 2 is left. Column 3, row 2 is last same level. Column 1, row 3 is 0x4. Column 2, row 3 is right. Column 3, row 3 is next same level. Column 1, row 4 is 0x2. Column 2, row 4 is up. Column 3, row 4 is upper level. Column 1, row 5 is 0x6. Column 2, row 5 is down. Column 3, row 5 is lower level. Column 1, row 6 is 0xc. Column 2, row 6 is right plus left. Column 3, row 6 is play. Column 1, row 7 is 0xa. Column 2, row 7 is left T plus up. Column 3, row 7 is exit.
X power k power 1 plus x power k power 2 plus x power k power 3. Continue until x power k power n equal 0. X index 1 power k plus x index 2 power k plus x index 3 power k. Continue until x index n power k equals 0. X power open bracket k index 1 closed bracket plus x power open bracket k index 2 closed bracket plus x power open bracket k index 3 closed bracket. Continue until x power open bracket k index n closed bracket equal 0.
Al index 2 open bracket so index 4 closed bracket index 3 plus k open bracket oh closed bracket index 3 yields al open bracket oh closed bracket index 3 plus k so index 4. This equation includes 5 elements. These elements are L, K, H, O, S. For balancing it needs 4 coefficients. Then it converts to Al2, so 4, 3 plus B K, O, 3 equals Cl, O, 3 plus D K so 4. Al at left 2. Al right 1. K at left 1. K right 1. H at left 3. H right 3. O at left 15. O right 7. S at left 3. S right 1. Solve following equations to obtain coefficients. B equals C1. D equals a 3. 12a plus 3b equals 3c plus 4d.